MissCarly, and today's all about a fun bob wig with a splash of color. So I'm really excited to try this one from Sam's Beauty, which is from Sensationnel. You know, Sensationnel always gets it right, so I am so excited about this wig right here. It is part of their Vice collection. So there's actually several numbers of the Vice. This is like number 3. The funny thing about this is that I absolutely love like their little saying. It says, "Too good to be wrong," which is something I am all about enabling, and it always says one is not enough, which absolutely is true when you find a really great wig. So a little bit about this one. Of course, naturally I chose, because I couldn't help myself, the blonde with the pink bottom. I mean, it just dipped beautifully. Absolutely cannot wait to try this one. What's really neat is that clearly if you didn't want blonde, the pink dipped is also in brown. They have a bunch of other colors, including like some natural colors, of course. But this is all about like stepping it up a little bit and like bringing a little bit of color, or if you've wanted to experiment with a hair color but have been too afraid to do like the full-blown color, like a little dip is definitely not wrong right here. So there are so many amazing attributes to this wig. Let's just get started with looking at this HD lace right here. Clearly, as you can see, it looks amazing. The parting, beautifully done. There's a nice amount of baby hairs in the front here as well. And then also there is the ear-to-ear lace as well. There are 2 small combs in the front, and then also there is one in the back. This definitely has a little bit of a slight curved parting on the left eyebrow, which is perfect as that's where I part my hair. So nothing will be too weird. This is also heat safe as well, so if you do want to heat modify it in any kind of way, like, go for it. And as you can see from holding it, like, she is a little bit of that asymmetrical bob, which is always my absolute favorite. I cannot wait to put this girl on. So let's just hop to it. I'm not gonna wear a wig cap. I'm just gonna put my hair back like I've usually been doing lately. In a low pony, like a little cinnamon roll. Oh, I did forget to talk about the wig cap size. She is a medium cap. She has really great stretch, so she would be large head friendly. Let's just whip her on. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my God, I love it. All right, so let's take a look, of course, at the hairline. Naturally, she could use a little bit of extra plucking if you want to do more of the side, but it is basically covered, so really not necessary. As for, like, as you can see, like this part right here, it looks really great. But that ear to ear is really nice. So let's cut off this lace and start playing with her. Okay, so actually what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take her off again and just kind of like add a little bit of foundation to this parting, because the lace is definitely like really plucked out, so it makes it look a little bit more intense. So let's just cover this. And there she is with a little bit of foundation. So let's whip her back on. I really think this wig is so cute. I love like just how fun and light it is. Of course, with bobs, one of my favorite things as well is that like they do not tangle. So it's like a perfect easy thing to always just like throw on. And honestly, like with this little bit of a dip of a color, it's just a little bit of fun if you want to just splash up your day or your outfit or the look. I mean, who's gonna say no to this? Absolutely love it. So definitely check out this wig from Sam's Beauty, from Sensationnel. So let me know if you do get this wig. I wanna see you in it, and reach out to me on Instagram. That is the best way for you to send me photos of you being as fabulous as you can possibly be. Because remember, life is short. Wear a wig and have fun. And I want to thank you all for watching, and we will see you soon.